Biscuit Boy clip.
If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my part, right?
Yo, what's good, boys? I'm back with another install video. Today's gonna be a side skirt install, as you saw from the intro. They're Rocket Bunny rep side skirts. I got them off of J-Spec. Shout out J-Spec. I'm just waiting for my dad to get home because I'm gonna need some help holding the side skirts. That way at least they go on straight and it doesn't look stupid. But yeah, once he gets home we'll start the video. I currently have my car already on the jack stands because I figured I'd save time by doing that. The side skirts are still inside, but as you can see I got the drill, the Phillips bit, because Americans are weird and use Phillips screws, but got 20 screws here, self tappers. I don't have the side skirts out here because I didn't want them to warp. But I got the car on jack stand. And yeah. Oh, I already cut that little mud flap type thing to make sure that the side skirts would fit in. It's hard to see. About right here. I cut the front part off. Alright guys, so I'm back outside. My dad just got home from work. I got one side skirt out of the bag. Ready to put on this side. I just use that like cleaner to clean right there on the bottom of each side, so that there's actually a clean mounting space. This one's still in the bag. The rep logo, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, the front lip's still holding out great. All it is self tappers on the bottom. I've scraped it a couple times and it's so good.
That's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. Remember when we talked on the phone, we were geek now. Every time I call, you're so low, you can speak. I miss the better days, sharing stories, they're all blurred out. Everything's a haze, talking to you really hurts now. Self-control, self-care, I keep fighting for it, takes so long. But I swear, I'ma make it for all these wrongs. Wish I could run it back, turn in the time, switch to the things that have broken my mind. Keep to myself and stay close on my life. Think it's way better than open their eyes. Anxiety and full throttle. All I need is...
Yo, what's up guys? I just finished work. It's like 6:30 a.m. or 6:50. I'm pretty tired, but I gotta get some clips of the car because I never really got that many like clips of the side skirts to like show what they look like and stuff. So I'll get some of those and then that'll be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe. Also, look at this shift knob that I just got. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it. Oh, it's pretty hard to see. But it's still, shout out to Nick Gretsch, or however you say his Instagram is like Gretsch Woodworks. I'll link it in the bio so that you guys can see it, but it is sick. So yeah, take it easy and catch you guys next time.
Drink too much, feel awful. Nothing can help in this novel, colossal. But this my part, right? And I don't need any more love, that's a lost fight. She gon' turn and look at me, what's the cost like? Told her, baby, break my heart, it's a dark night. If I'ma fall apart, this my...
Little bonus exhaust clip.